I'm first-year student of nursing at State University of Applied Science in Włocławek, Poland.
I started studies in 2020 during the coronavirus pandemic. I intentionally chose nursing because I want to help other people and I cannot imagine working in another profession.
Observing the work of nurses during the pandemic made me realize that they take up the challenges of modern nursing. In my future work, I will also take care of traditions of nursing.
I will soon have my training in hospital. I know that I will be learning from nurses, the best practitioners. I want to care for patients in such a way that will make it possible for me to ensure their safety and make good use of my knowledge.
Future nurses send their best wishes to nurses and midwives on International Nurses Day, celebrated once again during unsettling times of pandemic.
We wish all nurses and midwives to pursue their dreams and life goals without having to make difficult choices.
We hope that their daily professional effort affecting people's life will be duly appreciated and their work for the ill will make them proud and satisfied. We are all with you. Have sunny days.